Is Boeing, the aerospace giant behind groundbreaking aviation technology and space exploration, facing the possibility of bankruptcy? In today's episode of *X, we are diving deep into the challenges Boeing is currently facing, the financial turbulence shaking the company, and what this could mean for the future of space exploration. Stay with us as we explore if one of the biggest players in the aerospace industry could be on the brink of collapse. Now, let's break it down. Boeing, renowned for its aircraft and spacecraft developments, has been pivotal in shaping modern aviation and space missions. From launching commercial airliners to working on the International Space Station, and, of course, the Starliner spacecraft, their innovations have left a lasting mark on human space travel. But behind the scenes, Boeing's financial woes are casting long shadows. Over the past few years, the company has faced a series of setbacks, from the infamous 737 MAX crisis to delayed space projects like the Starliner. These delays and failures have led to massive losses, tarnished its reputation, and left investors questioning its stability. Could these challenges push Boeing into financial ruin? Let's take a look at some numbers. Boeing stock has tumbled significantly since its peak, losing billions in market value. While the COVID-19 pandemic crippled the aviation industry, Boeing's deep-rooted issues started long before. With declining revenue streams and ballooning debt, Boeing is finding it increasingly hard to stay afloat in an already competitive market. And then there's Starliner. After several delays and technical mishaps, the spacecraft has yet to fulfill its original mission of providing a reliable and reusable way to transport astronauts to the International Space Station. NASA, Boeing's key partner in this project, has remained cautiously optimistic. But delays and cost overruns have put a strain on their relationship, and NASA has already turned to SpaceX's Crew Dragon for reliable transportation to the ISS. What happens if Boeing can't pull off a successful Starliner mission? The stakes are high. Failure to deliver would not only be a blow to Boeing's reputation, but could also jeopardize its future space endeavors, pushing it closer to the financial edge. But is bankruptcy truly a possibility? While Boeing still maintains significant military contracts and has a massive commercial aircraft backlog, the current situation is precarious. For Boeing to avoid bankruptcy, it must regain investor confidence, successfully execute its space and aviation projects, and tighten up financially. So, what does this mean for space exploration? If Boeing were to declare bankruptcy, it could ripple across the space industry. NASA would likely need to pivot even more towards companies like SpaceX or Blue Origin to fill the gaps in commercial space transportation. Boeing's downfall would also affect countless suppliers and partners in the space sector, further slowing down projects that are already delayed. In the end, Boeing has been a trailblazer in both the skies and beyond. But will it continue to play a leading role in humanity's quest for the stars? Or could this be the end of an era? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in to *X. Don't forget to hit that subscribe